Hey everybody, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and it's unboxing time! Unboxing time! Well, my daughter's not in the room, so I'm not embarrassing her. Tonight we went to a soccer game, and they had like music beforehand to get, you in the mojo and the fan mood, and I was like dancing. And she's like, Mom, stop it. I'm like, what? Am I embarrassing you? And she's like, just stop it. So I have reached the I'm embarrassing my daughter instead of her dancing with me. We will see how long this goes, but I'm going to flip this around because I'm super excited. This is a new way to order a custom, and I can't wait to open this box to see if this is legitimately a good way. A new company, not a new company, but a new company that's doing, a company that's new to doing customs. So I can't wait to check it out. Let's open it up, see what I picked as a custom, and I can't wait. So let's open it. All right, see you in a sec. Yeah, like I said, this is a package from Artdot, and I did slice it to see what was inside because while I was out of town, this came and I'm like, I didn't order anything. Completely forgot. I had placed this order on May 17th on Amazon. Artdot has something new. They started custom diamond painting kits, and I love Artdot. And if you've seen me do things before, I've completed them. I love their drills. Their customer service is very nice. They're kind, and they usually do the 4-packs, and I like them a lot. So in this, I got a toolkit, just a normal single placer, which means one drill at a time, a clear 3-placer, a thing of wax, a green boat, and some baggies. And the drills are round. And what they're doing is, like I said, custom diamond painting kits. $9.99 or above. $9.99 is the 30 by 30, and I got round because I've done rounds before from them. I haven't done, I don't think they have square. No, they do have square. I haven't done a square one yet, but I'm super excited. They do poured glue. And are you guys ready to see the picture I chose? I chose this adorable little gnome. I sent it in. Isn't he adorable? So you can send in your own custom. Because it was going to be a 30 by 30, I wanted to pick something that was cartoony because it would come out better. You don't really want faces, anything that's going to be distorted because there's not enough color in the palette, right? Because no matter what the size the canvas, you're still going to have the same dots per square inch. So anything that's detailed, yeah, there's going to be a lot of color blocking around here. But I'm super excited because I might make like a daisy out of ABs or something and put some of these flowers or something out here. I'm very, very excited. I sent this in, I had no idea, but they did 21 colors. You can see the symbols. What I like about Artdot too is you can see they don't have what they call dummy squares or training wheels, which is actually a circle around. The reason I don't like those is because you end up with lines around your drills because sometimes the drills aren't perfect. So let's look at these drills. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of this white, 3865. $37.71, and this is kind of the old school way that we used to. I used to unbox and get all these drills this way. These little packets. I even think I have some that which will not be mentioned. They do it differently now, but I have it as well. So this is $8.42. Yeah, so look at the colors. The color palette's very light and springy. I thought this would be really fun to do. Uh-oh, wayward drill. Wayward drill. So there must be, one of these must be broken. Sometimes that happens because they rip here, right? There's a perforated edge there. And so sometimes when they're counting and they rip it off the spool, it rips the package. So we're just going to keep everything in here until I'm ready to kit it up. This is a great snack. It's 30 by 30. I just thought that would be super cute. Yes, how adorable is he? So if I find more of him, I might order some more and maybe do a little gnome collage. I don't know where I'd put it in my house, but who knows? I don't collect gnomes. They're just super cute, and my friend Rebecca reminded me of how much I do think they're cute. I used to watch a gnome cartoon growing up, and yeah, so I've always had a sweet spot for them. But this is Artdot. I have the link down below. You can find them on Amazon.com. It does take longer than the 2-day shipping. Like I said, I ordered it May 17th, received it June 3rd. Not too bad for a custom. What is that, 2.5, 3 weeks? And I'm really excited to try this out and give you a final rendition of how it works. Like I said, I can't say enough about Artdot. I think they do a fabulous job. They're simplistic in how they pack, but they give out a high quality product. I've yet to be disappointed by them. So check them out. They do larger sizes as well. I just wanted to test out their smallest size to see how it came out. And I know I'm going to love it. I may use them in the future. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.